the internet. To breakfast right now.
Wait, positive quote of the day. You cannot knock a bad bitch down.
Hell yeah.
There you go. That's
cannot knock a bad bitch down. I sound really deep because I literally just woke up like 5 minutes ago. So she started playing the Sandy song.
I mean, we're already here. So
I don't want to go home. That's the thing. I want to stay in Galveston. So I got a waffle with extra syrup because I'm fat and I love my syrup. I got some Fruit Loops. I got apple juice. She got a boring waffle with no extra syrup because she's not a fat ass like me. This bitch got a Texas waffle with no extra syrup and a nasty ass chocolate muffin. That looks nasty. We gonna eat this breakfast and then we're gonna get ready and go to the beach. And yeah, I'll probably see y'all when we're getting ready. Outfit of day number 2. This bathing suit top is from H&M. I have black bottoms that are from Target, I think. These jeans are from Old Navy. Slides are from, where do we get them? Foot Locker?
yes.
Nike slides. Same purse as yesterday. And then I just have this towel. It's beach day, y'all! Outside. I don't know if I can. Hey!
You know, I'm glad I feel hot.
We're getting honked at.
Hey, they haven't seen no cute girl.
I mean, yeah, we cute or whatever. We did get back from the beach. Somebody took a nap. I took a shower. That one took a shower. So we all took a shower and we got ready and we're gonna hit this park, I think. I don't know. It's a park and you can like shop around and then there's cool things to take pictures with. So yeah, we're gonna go do that. So this romper's from Shein. These shoes are the same ones that I was wearing yesterday because I like these shoes. Look, there's sloths.
Why
oh my god, it's a manatee.
Is that what a manatee is?
Yeah.
All my life I didn't know what a manatee was.
Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh, some lip balm. Oh, these makeup brushes are cute. Oh my god, these makeup brushes are so cute. So we're at dinner and we're at this place called The Spot. It's a little American restaurant. I look like a freaking tomato. It's this little restaurant, an American restaurant spot, and it's freaking cool. We're sitting outside, but I got a blackened mahi-mahi sandwich with waffle fries. It's freaking good. I got calamari. This bitch got an avocado burger. I don't even know what it is. And then she got some fried shrimp and french fries. We gonna eat these hoes, and it's gonna be good, and it's pretty, so I'm gonna put y'all towards here. I'm gonna do like a little time-lapse thing, that's cool. They're trying to throw French fries at this bird right now. Oh my god. It's eating it. It's eating it. It's eating it. Oh my god. Please fly away. Bitch, I will cook you. Again, I forgot to film an outro for you guys. I'm so sorry. I know this vlog is pretty short. I tried to vlog as much as possible, but I did just want to enjoy my vacation, take a little time to relax, and just kind of enjoy myself, enjoy my time off. But yeah, so I know these vlogs are taking forever to get up, but I have just been working like absolute crazy this week that I came back from vacation. So I promise I will try to get these vlogs up as soon as possible for you guys. I'm doing my absolute best, editing whenever I have time possible. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this short little vlog. I'm not quite sure when I'm going to be uploading my next vacation vlog, hopefully sometime soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you more than you will ever know. Make sure you give this video a like if you liked it. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell so you never miss when I post. Make sure to always stay grateful, thankful, and positive, and I will see you guys in my next vacation vlog. Bye, guys. Baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder.